To begin your sticky math, you need to have your booklet that I brought you on Monday, and you need a plastic cover like this. Your sticky math pages need to go inside of this cover. Now you have a cover in your math books right now that has your daily math in it. You can use that cover for your sticky math, okay? So make sure that you slide your sticky math pages into the plastic cover. The next thing that you need is a whiteboard pen and something to time yourself with. So you can use a cell phone, you could use a watch, you could use an iPad, you could use a regular timer, just something that you can set for 1 minute to time yourself with. So see here, I want you to set your timer for 1 minute. Once the timer begins, it is your job to take your whiteboard pen and to complete as many problems as you can in 1 minute. So let's pretend my minute is up, and after 1 minute, I was able to complete 10 problems. So I stop my timer. I notice that I've completed 10 problems, and then I go down to here where it says total facts solved. And in attempt number 1, I put the number 10 because I was able to solve 10 facts. Then I restart my timer and I erase all the questions and I start over. So the timer has started again. Now in this minute, I was able to solve more questions. So let's say that I was able to solve 12 questions, okay? So I'm stopping my timer after 1 minute, and in attempt number 2 box, I'm gonna say that I solved 12 questions. And then I erase my numbers and I do one final attempt, okay? So after another minute, let's say that I solve all my problems and I get all the way up to, I get up to 13, okay? So after 1 minute, in my attempt to number 3, I'm gonna notice that I was able to solve my questions all the way to number 13. And those are my attempts. The next step is to take your personal tracker. Now here is where we can keep track of how we are improving each day, how much faster we are at solving our math problems. These are basic facts, okay? So basic facts are really important to become quick at over time. So here we have the personal tracker. It says the date. So today is April 29th. So I put the date in here. And it says skill. Now the skill that you're working on is in the top left corner. It'll be next to the clock. So here our skill is +1. We're practicing adding 1. So I'm going to put that there in the box that says skill. Now on attempt number 1, I was able to solve 10 problems. So I'll put a number 10 here. On attempt number 2, I managed to solve 12 problems. And on attempt number 3, I was able to solve 13 problems. Okay, so each day you are going to record the problems that you solved and the date and the skill that you practiced. Now in your booklet right now, we only have addition and we go all the way up to +9. Then we have another page where you practice mixed facts. So we have +4, +2, +1, +0. And there's also a page where we practice our doubles +1 and our doubles. So we're working all the way up to mixed. That's going to be the final page that we do. Now I would like you to start with +1. Okay, so we're going to start with +1 and we are going to try that. Each page I would like you to try for 3 days in a row so that you can see how you improve. So once you've done 3 days, so I have April 28th, then I would have April 30th, and then May 1st, then you could switch to a new skill, which is going to be +2. And then we'll work our way through. And that is how you do sticky math.